But the big question is, should you really consider joining in? What about the placements? What's the ROI like? How much is the fees? What's the admission process? And will you actually get exposure to top profile companies? I'll answer every single one of these questions in this video so that you don't have even a single doubt left regarding ISMS Pune. So let's get started. ISMS Pune was established in 2009 and it's a private institute. The campus area is about 5 acres and they have received recognition from AICTE. There are 4 main courses offered here, including an industrial MBA and an international PhDM. Now, don't expect this to be a top-tier institute. Obviously, it doesn't hold any NIRF ranking or anything super prestigious like that. There are some private rankings available, but we won't go there. Talking about fees, they vary depending on the courses. For example, if you go for the PGDM, वो भी international trip के साथ the total fees cost you around 8 lakh something. On the other hand, PGDM with UK immersion programs cost you about 10 lakh total. And if you opt for international MBA, the total fees ranges between 11 lakh to 13.7 lakhs. So हाँ, definitely expensive side में है ये institute. अब एडमिशन प्रोसेस की बात करें तो एटलीस्ट यू नीड टू हैव 50% ऑफ इन योर ग्रेजुएशन. यहाँ पे मल्टीपल एंट्रेंस एग्जाम के स्कोर एक्सेप्ट किए जाते हैं लाइक कैट, सीमैट, जेईटी, मैट, एटीएमए एंड जीमैट स्कोर्स एंड मेरिट बेसिस टू. सो इफ यू डन डिसेंटली इन योर ग्रेजुएशन, यू कैन शॉर्टलिस्टेड आइदर थ्रू मेरिट और एंट्रेंस स्कोर. देन कम्स द GDPI process and admission is confirmed. Honestly, getting admission here is not very tough. However, if you have any doubts related to direct admission in premium MBA colleges anywhere in India, you can WhatsApp me directly. The link is in the description forms. I'll guide you properly and I'll be very happy to help. अब बात करते हैं इसके मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट की, प्लेसमेंट. मैं लास्ट के 2 साल का प्लेसमेंट डेटा शेयर कर देती हूँ तो यू अंडरस्टैंड द रियल पिक्चर ऑफ ISMS Pune placements. The institute claims 100% placement rate. The highest package offered was 15 LPM, and for the internal placements, it went up to 38 LPM. The average package stands around 6.5 LPA. In marketing, around 46% students got placed. Now, in 2024, the highest package was 14 LPA and average went up to 7 LPM, with 28% students placed in marketing roles. Top companies visiting for placements include HDFC Bank, Flipkart, Reliance Airtel, ICICI Bank, and many more. Internships are also offered with mostly stipend ranging from 8,000 to 20,000, जो कि काफी decent deal है. Apart from that, there are some really useful extra opportunities provided for students. Pre-placement opportunities are strong. Industrial visits are regularly organized. Academic tours भी arrange करवाए जाते हैं, both national and international. तो ये tour helps you understand the corporate culture better. For the international academic tour, you get 2 to 3 weeks stay in UK where you attend seminars, cultural fest, and get immense exposure and networking opportunities. Professional certificates are also provided, including international ones. Mock interviews are conducted, which are essential for placement preparations. Now, overall, a lot of focus is given professional training and mentorship programs. And of course, the best part is international tours. It makes your college life enjoyable as well as very informative. Since the fees is quite high, obviously highly qualified faculty members तुम्हें यहाँ पे मिलेंगे जो कि experienced भी होंगे और supportive भी होंगे and will always be available for you. They follow a history-centric approach which is really good for understanding concepts deeply. Overall, you'll find approachable faculties, strong industry connections, and a practical learning approach through case studies, group discussions, live projects, and industry expert sessions. The infrastructure is modern with a well-maintained hostel facility. अब तुम्हें न्यूट्रिशियस फूड मिलेगा इन द डाइनिंग एरिया, स्ट्रॉन्ग सिक्योरिटी सिस्टम मिलेंगे, 24/7 CCTV सर्वेलेंस मिलेंगे, सिक्योरिटी गार्ड्स, बायोमेट्रिक एक्सेस. तो सेफ्टी एक प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. Though it can be a bit restricting, so you might feel like थोड़ा सा like jail type, but it's okay. That's what hostel life is. अब तुम्हें indoor and outdoor sports both facilities यहाँ पे available मिलेंगी along with the gym and a vibrant community life. Regular cultural fest and workshops are conducted, so life on campus will be engaging and fun. The environment is also eco-friendly, which is a big plus. अब biggest advantage यहाँ पे ये है कि यहाँ एक industry aligned curriculum मिलेगा which provides excellent exposure and practical skill development. You get experienced and supportive faculties, modern infrastructure, vibrant hostels, campus life, strong corporate relations, solid placement supports, active industry partnerships, and global exposure. Their connections provide internal study tours and exchange program as well, which will be super beneficial. However, एक major con है which is consistency in placement outcomes. Although वो claim करते हैं कि 100% placement लगवाते हैं, but many students feel the reality is different. The average package usually ranges from 4 to 6 LPM, and many students get lower end packages. So you can expect a decent but not an outstanding ROI. Hostel life is good, but again, nothing extraordinary. Fees is quite high and internal exposure is somewhat limited, especially for non-international MBA students. Food can get repeatedly with less variety, तो food भी तुम्हें यहाँ पे boring मिल सकता है, और campus का भी तुम्हें थोड़ा सा drawback मिल जाता है, क्योंकि campus भी तुमको बहुत huge नहीं मिलता है, but it does have an active sports culture with dedicated indoor sports areas and yoga wellness rooms. अब यहाँ पे several specialization offer होती हैं, like finance, marketing, HR management, IT and computers. Plenty of clubs are there which you should definitely join, which are career management team, social responsibility cell, cultural cell, financial club, marketing club, etc. These activities greatly contribute to both personal and professional growth. In the MBA international programs, you basically get dual certificate. First year student at ISMS Pune and second year in the UK, which boosts your global exposure. Training programs from the UK university and industry internships are also a part of the package, though they do come at a higher fee. अब तुम्हारा score बहुत ज़्यादा high नहीं है and you're looking for a good industrial exposure, थोड़ा सा limited budget में, and want to study in Pune, then ISMS Pune is definitely worth considering. Again, so choose wisely. Again, if you have any admission or career related queries regarding ISMS Pune or any other premium MBA college, just WhatsApp me. The link is in the description box. Send me a message and I'll guide you properly. Till now, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video and leave your normal queries in the comment section. That's for me. Till then, stay connected. अगर मैंने कोई डिटेल्स मिस आउट कर दी तो मुझे कमेंट सेक्शन में ज़रूर बताना. अगर तुम कोई भी काउंसलिंग रिलेटेड क्वेश्चन कंफ्यूज हो कि तुम्हें इंटरव्यू कैसे क्रैक करना है, GDPI राउंड कैसे क्रैक करना है, तुम एलिजिबल हो कि नहीं हो, एलिजिबिलिटी क्राइटेरिया में अगर कंफ्यूज हो, या फिर कोई भी डिटेल है, तो यू कैन कॉन्टैक्ट मी. I'd be very happy to help. If you're interested in career related videos, or if you're interested in seeing reviews of B colleges, whether it's online and offline, so you're in the right place. Do subscribe to my channel. Also press that bell icon so that you will be notified whenever I'll be uploading any video. Till then, bye bye. All the very best for your colleges, all the very best for your careers. Thank you.